It's Friday, and on today's video, we're going to talk about the other functions of cryptocurrencies. Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of Crypto with Amine. If you like these videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, Amine, what else can you do with cryptocurrencies?
You know, theoretical functions of cryptocurrency are limited, okay? I think what's important here is to see what can I do with the cryptocurrency, the utility. You're talking about a digital asset. Because digital currency, you're basically talking about the payment or the value element of a blockchain deployment, of a decentralized ledger. So if you're talking about that value,
Okay.
that money component of that whole infrastructure, then obviously it has the utility of money. Now that form factor, which we can imagine in our head as a coin, can have many utilities. Coin could be an identity token or a login token. I mean, you know, like in these what they call them an ID token, right? Security token. When you go on Google, the way your computer interacts with Google servers is via these security tokens.
Yeah.
Okay. So they identify you. That's sent to the token is sent to the servers at Google, and then because you hold that token, they know your device is secure to connect with their servers and to access your profile. So the utility is.
But what do you think is the most exciting alternative usage for cryptocurrencies? Like what to you is most exciting outside of just payment?
Ownership, man. You know what is it? Digitalizing ownership. That you don't have to carry like a whole fucking set of documents, proving that you're an owner. You just have a token and you can just sell it to someone. And basically that transfers the title of ownership.
So you could have like a token in your phone in theory.
Yeah.
And you could say, here, look, I own
a car.
50% of this.
Not 50%, big
football trading card.
No. You own a car, okay?
I own a car.
Your certificate for ownership of the car is an NFT, okay? It's that token that says this dude owns this car because he holds this token.
Instead of a big legal contract. Is that what you're trying to say?
Exactly. So if I come to you and I say, hey, sell me your car, you send me your token, I send you money.
Okay.
And that's it. That's the transfer. It happened right there.
But what if somebody turns around and goes, this isn't legally binding though, it's just a stupid token?
You see, what makes things legally binding is the utility of it in society. You see, laws are made to adapt to people, not the other way around. You know, we're running into 3, 4, 5 major technological innovations and disruptions in this world.
Yeah, name one.
Well, digital assets and blockchain is one.
Okay.
Space. We're conquering space. There's Elon is sending his car to space. You don't even have a car.
All right, that's it. How do you feel about the alternative functions of cryptocurrencies? Leave a comment in the box below. I mean, say goodbye.
Goodbye. Look, I'm going to correct my name.